Hello to this next video on discretization of the continuous weak formulation. In the last video I showed you how to establish the mesh and how it enters the weak formulation, and in this video we are starting to discretize the function space. So the discrete function space we are using is Sobolev spaces, and now we have a discrete limited number of functions which are representations of the acoustic pressure and also of the test function. And with this function space we now are able to derive this very prominent finite element basis functions, which are then defining the finite element in this sense according to this Sobolev space, which is now defined here. Here we have the H1 space, which is then entering in nodal finite element representation. Thank you for watching this video about the Sobolev spaces we are using for discretizing the wave equation.